Habit triggers, also known as cues or prompts, are the events, situations, or feelings that signal the start of a habit or behavior. They can be internal or external and play a crucial role in habit formation. Identifying and understanding these triggers is essential for effectively creating and modifying habits. Certain times of the day, such as waking up in the morning or arriving home from work, can trigger specific habits or routines. Being in a particular place or environment can serve as a trigger for certain behaviors. For example, entering the kitchen may trigger the habit of snacking. Emotions can act as powerful triggers for habits. Stress, boredom, happiness, or sadness can prompt individuals to engage in specific behaviors as a way to cope or seek pleasure. Interactions with certain individuals or social situations can trigger habits. For example, meeting friends at a cafe may trigger the habit of ordering a coffee. Completing one activity can trigger the start of another. For instance, finishing dinner may trigger the habit of washing the dishes. Seeing or experiencing certain stimuli, such as a notification on your phone or the smell of freshly baked cookies, can trigger habits. Certain mental states, such as feeling tired or alert, can act as triggers for specific behaviors. Engaging in established routines or rituals can serve as triggers for associated habits. For example, brushing your teeth before bed may trigger the habit of reading a book. By identifying the triggers that prompt certain behaviors, individuals can become more aware of their habits and develop strategies to reinforce positive habits or break negative ones. While some triggers are obvious and easily identifiable, such as an alarm going off or seeing a specific object, others can be more nuanced and subconscious. For example, certain scents, sounds, or even subtle changes in our environment can act as triggers for habits without our conscious awareness. These triggers may evoke memories or emotions that prompt specific behaviors, even if we're not consciously aware of the connection. Additionally, habit triggers can vary in their strength and effectiveness depending on individual factors such as personality, past experiences, and current circumstances. What may act as a strong trigger for one person may have little effect on another.